Alright, so we have here TechnoSpark 6 Air. So the issue here is our client forget the pattern lock on his phone. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to have the cable. Tapos yung tools or tool po natin gagamitin sa pag remove po ng pattern. Okay, so launch lang po natin. Okay, so before that, off pala natin yung phone natin. And then hold volume up and down. Tapos insert po natin yung cable. Wait lang po natin na ma-recognize po ng ating tool yung ating phone. Okay? Alright, so after po na ma-recognize, makikita po natin na maglo-load po ang ating tool. Meron po siyang lumalabas na parang mga yan. Okay? Wait lang po natin. And after po that, once po successful po ang pag-remove, magkusa po magre-restart po ang ating phone. At it will go to the process or the setup process. Kaya yan. So setup lang po natin yung phone natin or phone ng ating customer pala. Customer pala to. Okay. So yan. Setup lang natin siya and then it will go to the home. Ayan. So wala na pong pattern. So yan. Goods na po. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.